Go down to the end of the driveway down here. Wait for Andy to take me to get something to eat. What? What? Did I hear Candus? She's hollering for Summer. I better check it out. Well, that's 3 calls. I better head over there and help her out. Well, I better get over here in the creek. Step in the creek, keep my scent down off my feet. Because most likely in the next 10 minutes, I think in my mind that they're going to need scent dogs. Yeah. Step in that wet, muddy creek. Keep my human scent down. In case they have to use them scent dogs. So that was my thought in the first 10 minutes. Does that sound logical?